Most of us have heard of Fiverr.com. It's a website that lets you order various gigs from a variety of freelancers. And I wanted to run an experiment. Let's get one of them to write a song. So what are we gonna write a song about? You know, my favorite song is Bad Bad Leroy Brown. And I love the acoustic and folk mastery of Woody Guthrie. Let's write a folk song about an original character. So what should we call this ancient person? Let's call him Daugerette. So give me a second to put together the tune of our lives. What about this? Picture like up-tempo, kind of folky. The verses can be whatever you want. Try to fill in backstory on Daugerette. Who's this man from ancient times? Tell a story. Thanks. I'm just gonna use that on Fiverr for instruction. Let's go over to the computer. Let's find a songwriter. Fiverr's got everything. If we search songwriter guitar, we'll see this guy is here. This guy's ready to write us a song. Let's hear how he sounds.
You're the headlights on a highway.
I think we got it. That's a little different than what I was looking for, but this'll do. The seller needs the following information to start working on your order. Please see attached audio file. Let's check back in a few days. I filmed that first part of the video in Las Vegas. I was there over the weekend, but I'm back in LA now, and I just got a notification. The first draft of the song is ready. Let's check it out and give notes. Here we go, let's hear it. Kona says, hey, let me know what you think of this. I dig it. I can adjust the levels in the mix, da-da-da-da-da. It just felt a little better with more reverb. I hope you like it. Thanks for using me on this. It was a lot of fun. Let me get headphones. I learned this at NPR. If you want good studio monitors, you gotta go for the Sony MDR 7506. I was an intern at National Public Radio for about 2 months and fell in love with these headphones there.
Yeah, Daugerette grew up with just one golden tooth. And his mom and dad never bothered to enforce the rules. Yeah, Daugerette came from the ancient times.
All right, so based on what I heard here though, I don't think any lyrics need to change. So what I'm gonna do is, let me message this guy. Can you send all the tracks as separate files? This sounds awesome. Going to have my brother, who's a DJ, look through the mix. And that's gonna be the next step. My brother is a DJ called Hand Salmon. He does the opening credits for the YouTube video. And that's the next step here. Let's see if we can work with Joseph. I'll bring Jacob, my other brother who's a producer, in as well. And let's see if we can turn Daugerette into a hit. Every lyric in Leroy Brown builds the story or adds some character to Leroy. That's not the case in Daugerette right now, which is why I'm burning it down. So here's what we need to create the ultimate song, and let's do it. There's a ton more coming after this. This Daugerette was just the beginning, and I can't wait to show you. I've got so many songs that are already done. We're getting so close to a sellable song. This is part 1, and I cannot wait to show you the rest of these parts. If you want an update, you want to see real time what's going on, check me out on Instagram, instagram.com/AlexBerman1. If you just go to the stories, I'm filming almost nonstop, showing inside the business, basically step by step, everything that's going on. If you want to talk one-on-one with me, go to experiment27.com/consulting. If you want more enterprise clients for your agency, that's experiment27.com. And if you have a business book, you want to turn that into a documentary, go to loreliapictures.com. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.